As Otokar, portfolio of armored vehicles starting from 5 tons up to 40 tons. And we try to display some of them here. We have Ural vehicle for paramilitary purposes, 4x4s. Then Cobra II vehicle with 2 different configurations here. And for 6x6 and 8x8, we display ARMA vehicles. And for tracked platforms, we have an amphibious Tulpar and non-amphibious heavier versions up to 40 tons. We want to stress in 2 different vehicles here. One of them is AKREP-II vehicle, a new variation of ARMA 8x8 vehicle. It's a prototype. The evaluation process and the tender process is still on. On top of that, there are lots of small specific requirements on the APU, NBC, rear wheel steering. All these requirements are already in. One of the important things of this vehicle is the newly released Stanak 4569 carries new protection of this new IED threat. Thank you.
As a multi-role vehicle suitable for various mission types, Akrep-II has the ability to provide effective firepower. The vehicle can also be configured as a weapon platform for quick reaction, surveillance mission, armored security, base air defense missions and other similar missions. In addition to a fully electric powered engine, Akrep-II also appears in diesel. Akrep-II comfortably carries turrets armed with up to a 90mm cannon. Akrep-II can operate with equal ease on all challenging terrain conditions. The vehicle can carry up to 3 crew members, driver, commander and gunner at a maximum speed of 110 km/h. The modular and highly protected hull design of ARMA 6x6 provides a multi-purpose platform that enables seamless integration of various types of mission equipment and/or weapon systems. ARMA being an agile and highly maneuverable platform, the independent suspension system, enhanced with run-flat tires, built-in central tires inflation system and anti-locking brake system, the ABS, improves ground mobility and ride comfort even over the roughest terrains. ARMA's modular ballistic protection is upgradable according to future threats. It offers a superior ballistic protection against kinetic projectiles and fragments against mines and IEDs. The ARMA 6x6 we see here is equipped with an unmanned turret made by Otokar, the Mizrak 25mm. The ARMA 8x8 is equipped with an unmanned turret as well, made by Aselsan NEFER 30mm. Korhan has been developed by Aselsan using the national resources and most advanced technological facilities. Korhan is an armed combat system equipped with advanced target detection and tracking systems. It has open and extensible architecture. In addition to the tracked and tactical wheel configurations, the amphibious configurations are also available in accordance with the requirements of swimming in the water. The production of the cannon is made by MKE. The system can use the 35mm airburst ammunition developed and produced by Aselsan without any external dependency. Having proven itself worldwide among various geographical regions and climates, Cobra consists of highly reliable and globally well-known mechanical components for the consistent service. It comprises different versions: basic variant, armored tactical vehicle, and MRAP is next-generation MRAP vehicle, which unites high level of survivability and mobility in a modular package. The vehicle mine protection is upgradable and can meet very demanding levels of Stanak 4569 level. The vehicle can be equipped with alternative power packs with up to 400 horsepower. Cobra's powerful turbo diesel V8 enables the vehicle to drive in the roughest terrain conditions. The independent suspension, the central tire inflation systems, permanent four-wheel drive, automatic transmission and 2-speed lockable transfer box ensure the highest level of mobility. Mine protection was emphasized during the preliminary design phases of Cobra. In addition to the steel armor, a secondary composite floor material helps absorbing the blast effects of mines. Thanks to its modular structure and advanced engineering, various types of weapon stations and turrets can be adapted. Ural, armored personnel carrier, is used by the Turkish security forces as well as the armed forces of several other countries. It can transport up to 9 people in the 5-door configuration or up to 10 people in the 3-door configuration. The vehicle's one-piece windscreen offers a wide view for the driver. Ural features a specially designed chassis, worldwide proven engine, powertrain and mechanical components, permanent 4-wheel drive, lockable central differentials, independent front suspension with torsion bars, handlebars and rigid rear axle deliver ultimate off-road capabilities. Ural armored personnel carrier features 8 gun ports in various dimensions. If desired, the Ural armored personnel carrier can also be equipped with remote control 7.62mm machine gun turret, as this is the case with the Mizrak turret shown here. Tulpar is designed as a multi-purpose vehicle with variants ranging from 28 to 45 tons. Future-oriented perspective of modularity is to increase operational flexibility by using common components and a common chassis for a wide range of vehicle variants. Tulpar's engine power ranges from 700 up to 1,100 horsepower. The vehicle is highly modular and can be fitted with manned or unmanned weapon systems ranging from 7.62mm up to 120mm, as well as air defense and mortar systems. Tulpar is equipped with ARMA-tronics, which provides a digital backbone that allows easy integration of new mission systems. Therefore, the system is able to monitor and control subsystems in real time to prevent critical failures that could be faced on the battlefield. Tulpar-S is designed as an amphibious light tracked vehicle. The turbocharged diesel engine developed 360 horsepower. The suspension is made of torsion bar with shock absorbers associated to an automatic track tension system. The maximum speed averages 70 km/h on land and 8 km on water.